Hey everyone, welcome to Hack MCST. This is the Morris County School of Technology's 4th annual hackathon. My name is Abdul Latif and I'm one of the head co-organizers here.
My name is Bhavya Patel and I'm also one of the head co-organizers of this event. Hack MCST began as an idea at our school just 4 short years ago. It was intended to be an event at which students could come to learn about technology while also creating incredible projects. Hack MCST has come a long way since we first began.
What started as a small, local event with only 60 people has grown into a sprawling hackathon with over 300 attendees and several workshops and mentors.
Hi, I'm Marwan Yuditha,
I'm Neil.
and we're from Morris Hills High School.
We utilize Unity, which also utilizes the C# programming language.
We created a top-down dungeon crawler game in which the player goes, collects power-ups, and then tries to get through.
My name's Akash.
I'm Mukhian.
I'm Sid Kapoor, and we are all freshmen from Morris Hills High School.
Our hack is based off of a popular video game that we all like.
So we wanted to recreate that same aspect of it, but add more to it so that not just people who like the video game will enjoy, but like something that could be used for communication.
We are using Python on a Raspberry Pi, and that is hooked up to a mini monitor, and all of that is inside of a cardboard.
Cardboard box.
Yeah.
It goes around your hand.
My name is Sharon.
My name is Hamna.
My name is Adriana, and we're freshmen in computer science at MCST. We have several mini games about environmental issues across the globe.
Each of the mini games is fun for the user to play while they're learning about different issues around the globe.
We use Scratch to make our program.
Hi, I'm Tejas Mehta. I'm a freshman at MCST in the Computer Science Academy. So an explanation of my project basically is that we decided to make a home VPN security system, which allows the security system to stay secure. A normal security system would naturally open ports on the router, while this one would leave all ports closed, which would stop vulnerabilities. And it is a basic security system for the average house, which allows any sort of like motion detection, temperature detection, as well as a live feed camera. We're using a lot of things. We use Google Cloud Platform as the VPN server, as well as the web server for the web interface, so if you want access from a computer. Then I used Flutter, which is a cross-platform SDK, allowing for design of the Android and iOS app. And then we also use Python and other various languages for the different motion sensor and camera.
Alright, so now what we've been waiting for, what we've been clapping so long for. The 3rd place winner is Sarah.
So in the recent midterm election, 60% of voters did not vote, and even though they were eligible, and this is a big problem because they were uneducated about it, and we decided to create a website that will help with that.
So what did we do? We created a program that uses a math equation that will help compare your views with the political candidate. So it takes your views and asks you 13 questions. Same-sex marriage, gun violence rights, and other things like abortion.
So pretty much we used 3 programming languages. We had no prior knowledge in using any of these. It was JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. We made the entire website from scratch, all the questions, the entire database. We had to make all the formulas from scratch.
So when we came to this hackathon, we wanted to create something that was easy to use, accessible, and solved a relatively present problem. And I believe that we've done that today with the product that we created.
Now in 2nd place, we have Arrow. You guys can head on up here.
Okay, so our project was basically, it was a kind of like a AI that talked with users to solve a problem. So the specific problem that we targeted with many kids have problems organizing what homework to do and what topics to target and how to prioritize it. So we developed a basic algorithm that takes user inputs on 3 different categories. So we used type, difficulty, and the due date. And using the simple algorithm, it calculated which one you should do first.
We used this model to build an API that connected to Google Calendars and messed up with calendars to create your own timeline for when you should do homework. And to end this all off, following the trend of the other team, AI.
And then finally, as the first place winners of our event, we have Mayo Soup.
We made a great project this year. We created a pandemic simulator, a disease simulator in a city. This was a procedurally generated simulation, a model, a living graph that allows us to solve the issues by planning cities around disease of developing nations who suffer from disease greatly. We think computers are the solution. Using procedurally generated models and basic schedules of people, we could simulate diseases by inputting simple parameters for the diseases such as lethality and infectivity, and find exactly the most efficient arrangement of buildings in a city.
AI, say AI.
Oh, we used AI.
Alright, nice presentation. In the end, organizing this hackathon really has been a team effort, and we couldn't have done it without everyone helping. From the hackers who attended, to the sponsors who helped us like Prudential and Barclays, to the overseeing company MLH who helped us organize this, all the way to all of the administrators at our school, Ms. Eberhardt and Mr. Hendricks, and even the team members who helped us plan this, like Sana, who is the head of logistics, Sarah, who is the head of sponsorships, and Peter, who is the head of social outreach. So once again, in the end, this couldn't have been done without all of their help, and it truly is a team effort.
We're so proud to see how far Hack MCST has come, and we're so excited to see what the future holds.